Yep. Yeah. 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 Definitely. Okay. Uh, Hello. Here we are once again on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, coming to you live on YouTube dive stream from Schmidt Ocean Institute Research Vessel Falkor 2. We are on the seafloor at 1,935 meters depth, looking at a large hydrothermal chimney. The very first part of this dive is a video photogrammetry recording where we're doing video up and down this structure from different angles that will be later on stitched together to make a 3D model of this chimney structure that we're looking at here, sort of defining where the habitats are and looking at where the animals are living and where the hydrothermal venting is located, and allow some quantitative analysis of the structure after the cruise. The site we're at now is called Des Folles Volcano, right on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge axis. It was the first place that we came to on this research expedition about a month ago. We've been out here for 32 days now, I think, and we're down to our last couple days on site before we start transit back to Puerto Rico. It's a 5-day transit, so our last couple days are mostly ROV diving at this volcano that we visited for only about 48 hours at the beginning of the trip. We did a quick water column survey looking for hydrothermal plumes, a couple of AUV mapping surveys including the water column sensors to locate where plumes were distributed throughout the volcano and get some 1-meter scale high resolution maps of the summit of the volcano. Those showed us where there were structures that looked like hydrothermal chimneys, and we started our first ROV dive within an hour of the AUVs coming back on deck while we were still analyzing that data, and put together a map. We targeted a high intensity plume area for the first dive,